I got so much pride. Can't take that away from me. I do this for all my people that I love.
Alright, gang, we're gonna remove this here wing that we got. Sprayed it all down to kind of get everything loose.
I'ma make it happen just for them. They ain't losing out down, yeah. I got this. I promise. It's just me and my pride, and I'm on go with it. I ain't stopping now, cause I'm on go with it. I'm on go with it. I'm on go.
Pull him off of there, he should come straight off. Yes, sir. There you go. So it's a good wing. We want to keep him. This here trunk here, he's going on a scrap pile. We got another one. All right, gang. Y'all see, we done took the trunk off of there. Next, I'm gonna remove these here tail lights. I'm gonna remove these here corners of the wing. I'm gonna remove this here flow so we can access and see all of our damage. Removing all of these here bulbs out of this tail light. So I'm just gonna pry the little mounting tabs. You have to see how that comes out of there. Pull all these lights out of here. Alright, let's pull this here tail light out of this housing.
It's just me and my pride, and I'm on go with it. I ain't stopping now, cause I'm on go with it. I'm on go with it. I'm on go. Wait a minute, that's La Bennett. Jack of all trades, thanks Mr. Bennett. That's your Bennett. I miss Mr. Bennett and Mr. Bennett's son. And my Uncle Bennett's son. 3 generations.
Got the tail light out of there. He's pretty heavy. I'm set him to the side. So I'm gonna go ahead on. I'm gonna remove this here other side, and I'll cut you back on. All right, gang. So y'all see where we at so far. I removed the corner pieces for the wing, the tail lights, and y'all see both of these quarter panels, the corners. They all rotted. They all rotted. I'm showing top and bottom. Bottom for sure on this one. Y'all see all that's rotted, man. So I might need 2 rear quarters for this car. I don't know. We're gonna see how bad it is. This here corner rotted as well. I got the ports right here, laid up right here. But right now, what I'm about to do, y'all see I got the wire harness out too. I'm about to pull this rug up, and we all gonna see the real damage right now. Let's see. Let's check out what we got.
I'm living for him. Papa got a farm. Come ride with me. You will love it. V8 shifter. The pipes go vroom. Then I'm fucking spinning. Hitting donuts. Krispy Kreme living. I do this.
Alright, gang. So we took the carpet out semi. Y'all see. This here trunk is done. Quarter pan's kind of done. I don't know, guys. What y'all thinking? What y'all thinking? Pull this here rug out back here.
Shit for you. You love to see me winning. And when I win, hold the trophy, your name in it. Fill it up with tears. Losing you, it give me chills. What up, Papa? What up, Uncle Joe? Uncle Lou, Lil Joe, my cousin Toya. What up, Beasley? I see you. And Mr. Adam. I love y'all. It's just me and my pride, and I'm on go with it. I ain't stopping now, cause I'm on go with it. I'm on go with it. I'm on go. It's just me and my pride, and I'm on go with it. I ain't stopping now, cause I'm on go with it. I'm on go with it. I'm on go. Things change, nothing seem the same. Crying real tears, looking like it rain. When I get famous, icing out my chain. Neck full of my love, wants to see how far we came. This ain't a game, I wish that I was playing. Lost part of my puzzle, taking nerves out my brain. It's hard to think, pass me a drink. Taking shots back to back like pow, pow, let me rest. My life a movie, so many episodes. You see what I've been through, you wouldn't even play my role. These my credentials, I take it everywhere I go. Luggage full of everything, then I can just make my pride, and I'm on go with it. I ain't stopping now, cause I'm on go with it. I'm on go with it. I'm on go. It's just me and my pride, and I'm on go with it. I ain't stopping now, cause I'm on go with it. I'm on go with it. I'm on go.
Alright, gang, so
Shane B.
after
So
gutting
you
it out,
remember my name.
taking the carpet out,
And don't forget that.
I don't know if
It's
this
up.
damn thing is worth it. What y'all
Can't
think?
keep light in the night.
You see the seam busted all the way to the seam right there. So we had to replace this pan.
Yeah. Okay.
All of this basically, out of this here. Damn, that whole back half. Quarter panel, corners rotten. I don't know what they look like. I guess they are right underneath, but all the corners of the quarters are rotten. Y'all see it right here. I don't know, man. What y'all think? Leave me a comment and let me know what y'all think. Is it work? Restoring? Just here upper deck might be alright, but part of it gonna have to get changed as well. What y'all think?
Gotta stay ready. Told my people I got them. I'ma go hard every day. I ain't stopping. Bet y'all make a meal one day. I bet you that. If I could drop a mixtape every month, I bet y'all drop. I got y'all. Stay ready for the season. I ball hard, you reason. Gotta take care of my people. My soul suckers and my breeding. No stopping, I'ma feed them. I hold it down. Real love, cause they need it. No losing now. Stay ready for the season. I ball hard, you reason. Gotta take care of my people. My soul suckers and my breeding. No stopping, I'ma feed them. I hold it down. Real love, cause they need it. No losing now. Never gonna lose. I got shit better to do, yeah. I'm stepping on you. Get out my way, I'm just speaking the truth. Full speed, motorsport, nothing slow, gotta move fast. No patience, cause I'm losing cash. Paying bills like a grown man. No help, I got my own band. Truck driving, chasing other plans. Gotta take it.
Alright, gang. We're random here checking in. So, what we done so far, I sanded, tried to sand around the rough spots. See, I get around this one here. Kind of went around that corner. You'll see I got me some good metal. I'll show y'all what I did on the other side as well. Money color. So on this side, you see it a little better. See, you got some silver right there. Right there. Right there, rough spot. And then right here, so it was a little rough with 120. I probably need to convert to 60 or 80. So what I'm gonna do, I got some stripper, and I'm gonna apply my stripper all around where I got these rough spots set, so I get it cleaned up a little bit more. Then see how far the rust going back. I don't know if this is a good one or not, but I already had this one, so this is what I'm gonna use. I think they do have a one that might be a little better. Maybe in this red and gray can, I believe. So I'm gonna just go with this for right now. And put me some up in a container. Or I could just use a regular old used container. Use this one right here. I'll put me some in there. So I can dip my brush. Apply it to my surface. Right. The whole cup. I'll see how these little sections work out for me. And we'll go from there. put some. I'm gonna put some all around here so I can see how far this here rust going back. And this here quarter panel. Let's see if I might could cut or where I might could try to save. Put me some in the corner right there. I got a little rust up in here. Put some around here. Just trying to identify the rust. See how far that is going back. How thick that Bondo is on there. Jeez. Look at that. I'm really just worried about the body right now. I'm gonna put me some up here too. Before I can sand back a little bit more. Let's see. Y'all see, I sanded around the rust spots on the driver's side of the roof. I guess it ain't too bad. Notice a little crack right there. Give him a little attention. Look how thick again. Sit down, Bondo it. Nice little work. I guess it ain't too bad. That's just this trunk. Once I get something going here and get it certified, I'll be all right. Might try to keep this here quarter panel. It is a little rusted. I don't think it's that bad though. We probably could fix this one. So we still gotta do something about these here corners. Just gonna fix what I can fix, you hear me?
Yeah, forever.